try out this Wyler's. This Wyler's light packets. Try the peach ring out just to see what I think, because I have had some skinny mixes, peach ring syrups, and I like it. I also have peach over here just in case if I need to use it. Smells good. The cup is already filled with water and ice. I'm very nervous on this. A lot of people have been saying this, that the flavors are too faint or don't taste good. Then there's been people that said it does taste good, and I don't know. I just wanted to find out for myself. So when I seen it, I got it. It'll be in my Amazon storefront if I like it. If I don't like it, then it won't be there. Smell itself smells great. Don't know if the flavor is strong, but it smells good. This tastes good. You don't need anything else with it. I had this just in case, but you really don't need anything else with it. It tastes good as is, and I'm really surprised. Okay. It's not a very strong, like strong, and it's not too low. It's just the perfect blend. You don't need anything else. I don't know what else to say about it. I'm not one of those people that really do a lot of flavored waters, so you can take what I say with a grain of salt. But for me, it tastes good. If you have some flavor ideas, then drop down in the comments and let me know. See you in the next one.